Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Yunus and today I'm going to show you the Petridish experiment. The ingredients that are needed for this experiment are sugar, boiled water, mixing bowl, gelatin and smashed meat cubes. First of all, you pour all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. We start with gelatin. And then we put 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we add the smashed meat cubes, and then pour the boiled water. And now you just have to mix it. And after mixing your mixtures, pour it into the Petri dish. So this is how a Petri dish look like. And if you don't have it, you can use any container instead and put a nylon cover upon it. I will use 2 Petri dishes because I want to collect 2 samples.
And now just keep it in the refrigerator till the next day.
The next day.
This is how your Petri dish should look like after you leave it in the refrigerator for the next day. And for the next step, to gather your samples, you need a Q-tip or a swab. So I have 2 swabs over here that I'm going to use for my experiment. So now we will gather the samples.
The first place that I'm going to take the sample from is from my mouth.
And when you finish gathering the sample, just put it into the Petri dish in a circular way. And the next place that I'm going to take the sample from is from the car tire. And then do the same step that you did in the first Petri dish into the second Petri dish.
And for the second step, you need to put it in a place where children can't reach into it. Just put it for a couple of days until you see differences. Make sure that the place that you store the Petri dish in is not too hot.
Day 2. Day 3. Day 4.
This is how the Petri dishes look after I kept them for 4 days. The one that's on the left is from the swab that I took from my mouth, and the one from the right is one that I took from the tires. As you can notice, there is bacteria grown on the sample that I took from the car tire. And the one that I took from my mouth still didn't show anything. I hope that you enjoyed my experiment and have a nice day.